Alright guys, so we're about to do a first time same day install where I kind of like talk through it just because this unit is super bomb and obviously it's on my head now. It looks like it's kind of installed, but that's just how freaking nice this lace is. Like look at this fire AF lace. Now I did go ahead and install their pretty true scalp tape, guys. I did that before I put this wig on my head, and the scalp tape is just right here. It just makes the scalp and the parting space look super realistic, so I already took care of that. So what I'm going to do basically with you guys is just install this unit today. This is the style Jasmine, guys. Everything comes pretty much done with this unit. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleach. It has nice HD lace, so you can't really go wrong with this unit at all, guys. And another thing that they do provide, I did show you guys this in the beginning of the video, is that they have multicolor HD lace now. So they have the color Mocha and Cappuccino. So now it's just, for my girls of color, it's just easier to buy a lace wig that's already ready to put on. So these are like complete units. Everything's done up and you just put it on. So that's one thing I love. So with this one, obviously when I pull it down right here, you guys can see that the hairline is a little bit there's too many thick sideburns. It comes just too far down. So all I'm gonna do is just slide my hand like this and pull as much out as I want. So that's gonna look realistic, but that's too much. So I'm just gonna cut it up a little bit more like this. And boom, there you go. So this gotta go. So what I'm going to do, and I've already made sure the wig fit my head, so I kind of know where I'm at. So I'm just gonna take the scissors and I'm gonna cut. Okay guys, just cut right through. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that like that because I'm gonna have to go on the other side and do the same thing to get this side to work as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and kind of like make a little bit of a, because it's just too much sideburns for me, baby. So we're gonna find it right there. We're gonna tuck this behind our ear and make sure that it fits. I've already adjusted it. You guys noticed that the unit came with like this big adjustable strap, which I absolutely love. So that, once you adjust that, you're pretty much good. I know you guys are probably looking like, why are you not using a comb? My nails are sharp enough so I can make an even line. You see that? When you've been doing wigs for a while, it's just, you know, pretty much comes easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one as well. There. So I'm gonna cut it like a little bit ways so then I can pull it off my head and do it better. So, all right guys, so now that I've cut the ear tabs, I'm just gonna kind of prep the wig in the sections where I want the baby hairs. So I just kind of put the hot comb through it on each side, on the sides where I want it to be slick and nice, so I can separate the baby hairs from the section. So obviously you guys saw I cut the ear tab section off and I made it enough hair. I don't want too much hair on the sideburns, just like a nice little clean sideburn. So right here as well too, since we're gonna do the baby hair right here, I wanna make sure this part right here is very like clean. And you guys can see the company did a good job on cleaning that lace up. And even on this side right here, because we're gonna swoop this baby hair into that side, we wanna make sure that this section is nice and clean as well. Look at that. So clean. Like the lace, baby, look at that. Wow. So what I'm gonna do is use my Even Wonder lace and I'm gonna spray the sides, just the hair. I'm not gonna glue this down yet, but just wanna spray it just to make sure that the hair stays in position the way I want it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go in with my Even Wonder lace, the black one. The black one, honestly and truly, I feel like all of the Even Wonder lace do about the same thing. I don't know how people be like they see it different. It's really all the same to me, my opinion. But I do prefer the Even Wonder lace spray out of all the wig sprays because I feel like that one holds the wigs down better out of all the other wig sprays. And the wig glue, as far as wig glues, this wig glue I think is better price wise and quality wise compared to Ghost Bond and all those. Those are like $30 now. Bold Hold be having their wig glue now for like $35. No. These at the beauty supply store cost $15, guys. I will leave a link down below for you guys. I don't know who the hell Ghost Bond and Bold Hold think they fooling, because they are more affordable companies and brands now at the beauty supply store. So y'all need to reconsider that price that you guys are. It's the same stuff. And honestly, I've been rocking with the Even Wonder lace glue and the spray for the last 2 years. And to me, I mean, I think it does a pretty good job. Like even on my trips, of course my wig's gonna slide. Whose wig doesn't slide? But My wigs don't be sliding back 2 to 3 days after I install it. My units will stay on for at least 4 days. Like if I do it like a real proper, you know, a proper little install. So I think that's all the glue I'm gonna use on this one. I'm gonna let it dry clear and then I'm gonna spray it and then I'm gonna pull it down and I'll be back. Okay, found the scissors. So I got my scissors. So what I'm about to do now, I could have swore it just almost broke the hot comb, guys. But my dumb ass didn't realize that it was just not turned on. Like I'm gonna have to replace this though anyways, but. Okay, it's getting hot. I have my straightener as well too. So I'm gonna cut the baby hairs now to the length that I want them to. Like, I don't need, yo, baby hairs be just a very hard concept to get there. It just be like, I don't know how much to cut. I did pull a little bit of extra hair out on this sideburn right here though. So with the sideburns, I just kind of do it like at an angle, like I'm doing a layer, I guess. Girls, ladies and gentlemen, I do not know. On this side right here, like I said, we keep the front clean, so I like to cut it this way down. Okay, it's like that. And then like that as well, on a curve. Now, I wish I had a small curling iron, but I don't, or straightener. So I use this big one. I don't let it get too hot, and then I just quickly pull it here because I do not want to burn myself. So I see that everyone curls it this way, so I'm learning from the girls. And then this one. Just to have it go in that direction, I guess. I think that's how we're supposed to do it. And then this one like this. And then this one like that as well. So you guys can see the formation of these little curlettes in the front of my head. But the lace looks impeccable, guys. Everything is pretty much melted down. I did not spray. I only used the Even Wonder Lace, the gold one. I need to start putting caps on everything as I'm done with it. It's on the ground. So I'll put the cap on this one. So what I'm going to do now is spray it and then use my brush to kind of get the baby hair as well. As a matter of fact, you see how it's gonna form? Look at that, beautiful. So I got my headband with me, I got my spray. So like I said, we're going to just spray the perimeter, like right there. I like to spray above it so that it could run downwards instead of it being like directly on it. And we're gonna spray right at the parting spaces just because it'll help the hair and some of this run down into the curl. And we're gonna do that on this side too. Get all the edges on top of the hair, not directly on the baby hairs or anything like that. And like I said, around here as well too, you're gonna allow to spray. Of course, my dumb ass got it on that part. And then spray. Okay, so then what I'll do is just take my brush, or my little baby hair brush, and I'll just lightly kind of like curl it in that way, or leave it like that. So then when I lay the scarf down, or the wig band, the melt band, it will just follow suit. So that's usually how I do it. I don't want to like run mousse to it and make the hair stiff. So I just like let it do its own thing. And then once I finish using the, you know, the wig melt band or whatever you want to call it, like see right there, that already did it by itself. And you just have to maneuver, and it will also follow along and do the same thing. So see, you guys can see Hairvivi did go ahead and pre-style the unit, which you guys already know I love a pre-styled unit. So if you really had somewhere to go, guys, and you needed to install this wig like ASAP and just run, you could. And you guys can see they curled the wig perfectly. They knew exactly what curl angle to do on this one. Now usually I like to layer my joints off, but I don't think I'm going to layer this one off. I think I'm just going to go with the long length curls that it's giving. But I am going to just, you know, buff some spots up. But like I said, if you don't have the time to do that, look, it's already done. So I'm just going to buff some of the areas up. I actually might do layers. I feel like I need like a little bit of layering job in. But for the most part, we're just going to, let me see, because I just, like I said, I thought I almost broke the hot comb. Just kind of flatten the top spot out right here, just to make it look natural. And even though you guys know I like to have this area in the front right here be like very bouffant, I'm just going to make sure that I straighten it or hot comb it to my best ability so it's like really like slick looking. You see that, guys? And make sure your hot comb, I don't have a setting for this one, but this one goes all the way up to is it 500 degrees? So you really got to be careful with this one, because once you turn it on, you about have like maybe like 30 seconds before it gets extremely hot, which is a good thing and then not such a good thing. But when you're working with wigs, it does the job very well. So that's one thing about this one that I really like. So I'm just gonna flatten the top out as much as I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hit the first curl in the front right here with a little bit of a thing. All right, so I'm gonna curl this part right here. I'm gonna hot comb it first because we wanna make sure it's slick. And then we're gonna pull this back and then pull the curler through the front this way. I'm only doing this to show you guys because I wanna show you guys how beautiful the curls look on this unit. And I wanna curl just the front of it because the hair is already curled, so you don't like, whew, shout out to a company that can pre-style unit for you. And like, even if you work at a salon and you own a business and you want to order wigs from these companies and you have clients that are coming in, or even if you're getting it, you need to get your hair done, ladies, order this wig from the company. I'm sure you can go to a stylist and they will style it up for you just like this. It already comes curled, so you basically cut some of the curling time in half. I always prefer the curls from the company because it just has more volume. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this first before I even try to pull it. Look at that. Yeah. You can't make this type of stuff. Look at this beautiful ass hair. You can go ahead and flip it up like that. Play around with this, guys. Look at this lovely hair. I'm gonna do one little spray up for you guys. I did this in my last hair video so you guys know how it is. So, we're gonna go ahead and pull the hair to the front. Gather the hair up, guys. And we're gonna spray it. This is probably not good for the environment, but this will give you the best, like, full glam style look. Okay, guys? So this will literally give you the fullest glam look ever. Like, look at this. Like, I should have done this after I took the thing off, but I'll probably do it again. But if you're trying to get a nice curled style and you want it to look bouffant, do those same exact steps that I just did. Like, literally, the style will always come up popping. Like, look at this. What? So obviously I changed my top and put some earrings on because you know it's slay is about to come through. So this is what the hair looks like, guys. Even though I sprayed it, still lasted. The spray still holding the curls up. The hair actually looks very pretty and glamorous, guys. Like I said, didn't really do that much to it, if you feel me. So look at how, So let me go ahead and pull this off. Hopefully my meltdown is giving what it's supposed to give. I don't want to snatch it off. I want it to kind of like slide off because look at that. I got a little residual right here, but that's fine. A little bit of that got stuck, but that is perfectly fine. And look at the baby hairs. Like I said, the baby hairs did their own thing. You don't have to go and try to play and finesse them. Once you make them, you spray the wig down, but don't put like mousse. Mousse makes it messy. Y'all see how it stayed in curlette form? And on this side as well too, stayed in a little curlette form. This side, obviously this part you're gonna have to kind of like, you know, there you go. Just move it like that and boom, you're done. You're done. And then we're gonna go ahead and just fix this one up. Look at that. We can do a nice tuck back. But before I tuck it back, I'm gonna just pull everything to the front so you guys can see what the hair is. Look at that. Guys, what? Do you guys freaking see this? Like, same day install. Didn't even do that much to the unit. Like, come on, look it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take my comb real quick. I'm so hyped right now, wow. So I'm gonna take my comb, I'm gonna just comb this part out right here. It'll be a little bit flaky. Sometimes it gives you a little bit of flake because I did put a lot of product on my hair. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the wax stick to smooth it out. And we're gonna take the hot comb and we're just going to hot comb that area just to make it like a little bit softer looking. Why are you trying to come over this side? Stay where you at. So we're just gonna go ahead and hot comb that area just so it could be a little bit softer and flow right through the way we want it to. Like, look at that, guys. Beautiful. And even in the front right here, you want to go in right here and make sure that it's like a natural pull-up, nothing too dramatic, just natural looking. Like, look at that. Yes. So we're gonna flatten this part on the back. And like I said, you guys can see it looks very natural, very cute, very simple. And if you want to tuck this behind your ear, you can go ahead and tuck it behind your ear like that. It's still going to give you a very natural effect. You go ahead and lay these baby hairs down on the side if they're just doing the most. Sometimes this one will curl up. You just going to fix it, straighten it up, and then there you go. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Look at how pretty that looks. We're just gonna make everything go in place. Look at that. You can still see my tattoo right there, so everything is clean and perfect. Look at that. It's giving. Do y'all see this lace? Like, come on, guys. All right, guys, so that is basically it for today's hair video. You guys can see that the unit is fly AF. Thank you so much to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love your units. This is probably becoming one of my favorite companies. Everything about these units is straight out the box, straight lit, straight popping. I mean, I showed you guys how to do it. A lot of you guys always say you make it look so easy, but it really is that easy when you purchase a unit that is a quality unit from a company. This unit, you don't have to do anything. For my amateur people, my first time wig wearers, first time wig purchaser, whatever it is, if you don't know what you're doing, this is very simple. It's gonna come out looking fabulous just about all the time. The unit is just giving all the vibes. Holiday season is rolling around, guys, so if you're looking for something very holiday-ish, something that's just gonna make your fall just glamorous, this is the perfect wig. You can straighten this unit, but this body wave texture and this 180% density is everything. I love a true body wave wig, and this is a true body wave wig, guys. So I'll leave all the information down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit from hairvivi.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.